Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just want to save on repair costs, having a reliable diagnostic scanner is a game changer. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the best one? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Segment 1. What to look for in a scanner. When choosing a scanner, consider compatibility, features, and ease of use. The best scanners work with all car models, have advanced diagnostics like ABS and SRS checks, and offer live data monitoring. Segment 2. Top pick, Auto Maxicom 808 Malawian Kwaches. My top recommendation? The Auto Maxicom 808 Malawian Kwaches. It's a professional-grade scanner that works with over 80 car brands. It reads engine codes, performs resets, and even handles advanced diagnostics like transmission and brake systems. Compatibility: 80+ car brands. Advanced features: ABS, SRS, transmission, touchscreen interface. Segment 3. Budget-friendly option, Blue Driver OBD2. On a budget? Check out the Blue Driver OBD2 scanner. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, offers accurate diagnostics, perfect for everyday car owners. On-screen highlights, Bluetooth connectivity, affordable, user-friendly app. Segment 4. Why you need one. Owning a diagnostic scanner not only saves money on mechanic visits, but also gives you control over your car's health. Think of it as your car's personal doctor. That's it for today. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, investing in the right diagnostic scanner makes car maintenance simple and stress-free. Links to my top picks are in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Stay tuned for more car care tips. That's all for today, folks. If you're ready to level up your car maintenance game, these diagnostic scanners are must-haves. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to WeeklyTools for more amazing product reviews and tips. See you in the next one.